Ever wanted to play the guitar like a pro? Have dreams of strumming along to your favorite tunes or even composing your own? Well, today is your day. We're diving into the world of guitar playing, and by the end, you'll have a clear pathway to becoming a guitar hero. Firstly, it's all about getting to know your instrument. A guitar, you see, is more than a collection of strings and wood. It's a tool for creating music, a conduit for expressing emotions, and a companion on your musical journey. Understand its components: the neck, the body, the strings, and the fretboard. Knowing each part of your guitar will allow you to navigate it with ease and confidence. Next, we move on to the art of holding the guitar. This step may seem trivial, but rest assured it's of paramount importance. The right posture not only ensures comfort, but also influences the quality of sound produced. Whether you're standing or sitting, make sure the guitar body rests comfortably against yours, with the neck accessible and easy to reach. Now, the moment you've been waiting for, strumming those strings. But before you do, you need to learn about guitar picks. These small, often overlooked items play a key role in the sounds you'll produce. They come in various sizes and materials, each offering a unique tone. Experiment with different ones to see what suits your style best. With a pick in hand, it's time to strum. Start by familiarizing yourself with the different strings and the sounds they produce. The guitar has 6 strings, each corresponding to a musical note. From the thickest to the thinnest, these are E, A, D, G, B, and E. Onward to chords, the building blocks of songs. Chords are a combination of notes played simultaneously, and they form the backbone of most melodies. Start with simple ones like C, G, and D. Once you've mastered them, you can venture into more complex territory. One skill that separates novices from pros is the ability to transition smoothly between chords. This comes with practice. The more you play, the faster and more fluid your transitions will become. Finally, let's touch on the importance of rhythm and timing. Music isn't just about the notes you play, but also when you play them. Developing a sense of rhythm will make your playing more engaging and dynamic. To summarize, learning to play the guitar is a journey. It begins with understanding your instrument and holding it properly. Then, you learn to strum, experiment with picks, and familiarize yourself with the strings. From there, you dive into chords, work on transitions, and hone your sense of rhythm. Remember, everyone starts somewhere. Even the greatest guitarists in history began with a single strum, so pick up that guitar, start practicing, and who knows, you might just become the next guitar hero.